Welcome, today I'm with Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps. That's how simply. Just open the app Play Store and now tap to the right upper corner. You can have it on the left side and now tap to the settings. For sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So then click to the network preferences. And now choose the auto update apps. Tap on that and now switch it to don't auto update apps. Tap to done and that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.